Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the red access card. Now act. Move to the nearest locked node or door tied to the card type, and do not sprint blindly. Clear corners first. Once done, assign the card to an easy access inventory slot so you can use it under pressure. If you're in a squad, tell teammates your intent so they cover angles. Make sure your loadout includes breaching tools and plate plates. Those first steps set up successful access within the next minute or two. You're at the terminal. Press and hold the use button while keeping movement minimal to avoid failing the interaction. Once initiated, the door sequence will start. Keep an eye on audio cues and the progress meter to know when extraction is safe. If the game requires an additional ministep, like entering a code, follow the on-screen prompt immediately. Make sure to crouch or take cover nearby because enemies often rush locked rooms the moment a card is used, so readiness matters. You've opened it. Loot fast and prioritize mission items and high-tier weapons before lingering. Once done, either extract promptly or close and resecure the door to stop immediate enemy pushes. Coordinate smoke or flash if you need a cover exit. If the card interaction glitches, don't panic. Step back, drop, and repick the card, or redeploy to the terminal and restart the sequence. If that still fails, swap to another team member's card or relocate to another objective to avoid wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.